How bad is New Mexico's drought? As of April 2015, New Mexico's reservoirs were at only 29% of capacity.
Well, it used to rain more, and the river would flood. Water would come up, 10 feet deep in there and be rushing down the river. That used to happen quite a few times in the summer. But I don't remember seeing that lately. And there was, at the time, a lot more rain. It used to rain more on us there.
So does it rain regularly in the summer now?
No. And they're all dead. And this one on the end is still alive in part.
In the old days when I was first here, everybody would count on the rain happening every day at 4 o'clock in the summer for July and August. And there would be a lot of thunder and a lot of heavy rain that was over in a little while. Sometimes it would be a totally clear day and you knew just because it was July that the rain would come in the afternoon at 4. And that has totally changed.
The land is very dry in our community property. We are tilling the soil. We need to plant vegetables for our subsistence. We need rain in order to sustain our life. That's as far as being a community of brothers on top of Chama Canyon in the northern part of New Mexico. Because of less rain, we tend to produce less and less products, because the crops are our vegetables are dependent. The lives of the vegetables are dependent on the rain. If there is no rainfall, all these plants will dry up and will die. It's very sad.
On a dry Santa Fe River waterfall, a single flower struggles to survive, the grim reminder of life without water.